Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today I'm doing my assessment for my savings and all my debt and just seeing where I'm up to, closing down that end of June, seeing how much I've managed to save throughout that month and seeing what kind of impact that is going to have on me and how I'm getting on in everything. So come on in. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. I'm a mum to 2 children and this channel is all about my journey to becoming debt-free, getting some savings behind me, living a really decent life without having to work full-time, but still having some great times, still having some really nice days out and just generally living a good life, but doing it on a budget. So if you think that's something of interest to you, I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, like icon, and go ahead and click on the little bell notification button so that you know every single time that I upload, because honestly, every time you do, it makes such a difference and you really make my day. Thank you so, so much. And if you are already subscribed, then of course you'll already know how much I love you. You're amazing. Thank you. Right, so at this point in the month, but now the beginning of the next month, I look back on my previous month and everything that I've been doing and everything else. However, I've got like a whole bank of these documents and I've put them down somewhere. You know what it's like? I've been moving offices and organising everything and I can't find all of them. For whatever reason, I can only find some of them. They should all be together, so I don't know what that's about. I've got this one, and the important ones, the ones that I really want to know about, are my savings and my debt balance. So that's okay. These are the significant ones, but I will have a look through. They can't be far away. Just can't be far away. And I'll try and get everything else updated as well. But I really wanted to crack on and see basically what I'm putting towards debt and how much things are going up and down, because that's my favourite thing to do every month, because it just reminds me of why I started this journey in the first place, basically. And I'm a very visual person. I like to see, literally, like you can see, my debt going down. I can see my savings going up, and for me, it's really motivational. That's why I love doing it. And I know you guys like it as well. So I really wanted to do the video, even though I know I haven't got all the little tweaky bits together. I'm just like looking around now thinking, what on earth have I done with them? Anyway, I'm hoping I might have hit a couple of goals, but again, they're the goals that are on my other sheet. So the things like how much I wanted to try and put together into my trackers and into my big dreams envelopes, all those sinking funds and everything else. But once I've got them on here, what I might do is I'm going to just like jot them down on paper and then I'll just transfer everything over. So I'll catch it up. And if it needs to be, I'll just print myself another sheet off and I'll go back and watch my own videos and update everything. Oh, I'm silly. Anyway, let's have a look then at, what I've got, basically. Now, I don't know. I'm going to decide as I go through, actually. I was going to say, I've talked about my challenges, because in here there's quite a bit of cash as well that I'm saving. I don't tend to include it towards my savings and things, like when I'm counting everything up. But should I? Because it's still money that's there, or it's sort of already earmarked on the whole. Well, some of it is. Like my two coin drop challenge. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to get £230 apparently. Like maybe just kind of keep it as an emergency. If something comes up, I want to go on a mini break. I don't know. Like this one here, 1 to 24 challenge. It's going to get £300. I'm going to put it towards concerts. Whacking all over these. Good job of laminated, isn't it? It's because I used the wrong pen, but oh well. Laptop, like I said, this is already earmarked for a laptop, but do I keep it as part of my savings? Because actually ultimately it's going to get spent. And this is about to deplete completely because it's a birthday this week. My fault, that's going to, well, not get very far, but yeah, I'm not going to include it into our savings or debt because it's just I don't think I should. Let me know if you think I'm wrong, but there we go. So what I'm going to do is have a look, first of all, at my debt envelope and how much I managed to get in here. So this one is for this. Now, I know I didn't get a load saved for May. 285. Don't know what's just falling down. Something's just fallen down. My envelope. Hang on 1 second. There we go. There's a reason why this is supposed to be closed. Yeah, so May, I got 285 saved. I'm hoping on, really I'm hoping I put quite a bit more away this time. So let's check it. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. Ooh, we've already already hit that. 20, 40, 60, 84. 20, 40, 60, 85. 20, 40, 60, 86, 25, 625. I say this every time, but honestly, I don't count it beforehand. I don't know beforehand. I like the whole finding out with you guys at the same time thing. So that's a load. I forgot what I said now. 625, wasn't it? I'm going to count it again. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 20, 40, 60, 84. 20, 40, 60, 85. 20, 40, 60, 86. 125. Oh, yes. Yes. Right, let me write that down somewhere before I forget. What forgot. Oh, post-it notes. Let's do it on post-it note. In fact, well, it's going to go on here, isn't it? So, I love this game. I love this game. A game of playing with money. Let's play it being grown-ups. 625. So, where am I on there? Oh, gosh, that's going to bring me right down. Ooh. Let's go for a bit of purple. 625 off of this. So, basically, we're about here. So sad, aren't I? I know. I'm getting excited because, do you know what? I work flipping hard for that money. I do work hard when I'm a little hustles. To be fair, that's so significant because I finally got all that Etsy money in. So, because it was being held, wasn't it, for quite a while. So, I think I must have chucked a load in there. I did the same with a lot of my sinking funds. That's why I'm excited about doing this, and I really wanted to crack on. So now empty. It does also have the first week of July's budget money in there as well. So does that mean that? Well, I'll probably do something similar next month, to be fair, anyway, but we'll see. So that's that. Emergency. Not any different. That's 1,000, which is what I wanted it to be. So let me just we've put debt. There's 65. Put June on there. Yeah, emergency is at 1,000. Car. Already had a placeholder in it. 500 and 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 in there. So I've now got 600 in my cart, which is more than, well, I wanted 500 initially. And then I wanted another 500. I can't remember why. God. It's all on my sheet. Oh, well, my car insurance was 500. There we go. And then I wanted another 500 towards repairs, which, well, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing here? Right, school, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and, 130. Oh, gosh, that's good then. That's good, because that's usually about how much Holly's school uniform is, so that's that. 30 Holly and Alexander should be the same in theory, but occasionally I get that wrong. So, where am I? Oh, okay, placeholder. Let's organise these into... So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 290, so 590, that's all right, isn't it? I can't remember what my goal was for that. I think it was 500 each, actually. So, that's something. Fingers crossed this is the same. 300. Twenty, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 330. How have I done that? Do you know what I've got in the back of my head? I think, well, I obviously have done at some point. Took money out of Holly's for something. Thinking, what did I do? Did she want something? I don't know if she wanted something now. I forget. I've forgotten. Anyway, right, car repairs. Now, if you remember, if you've been watching a while, I was bulking this one up massively because I was expecting to buy those brakes. And I've not had to yet. But I know that they reckon maybe when it's time for the service, so that's it, like September. So there's 150. So I've still like been throwing it in, so I'm not stressing at the time. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 550, 60, 70, 85. I forgot what my number was now. Oh, it's not my brain. I forgot the number. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 200, 300, 400, 400, 550, 60, 70, 85, 585 in my car repairs, which is great because I wanted that 500, so I've definitely hit some, which is, it's annoying that I've not got my little ticky off sheet things because, yeah, I want them. Still not fix this envelope. Anyway, it'll be fine. It still does its job. So that's where we're up to for that. Let me count then how much that is. Total it up. Yeah, so just like that. We've got 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 23, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18, 25. And that's 3535. So where am I up to? 535. Oh, that's another really good impacted one. What did I just say now? 3535. I already wrote that one down. 3535. Let me write it on here as well. So I'm making like that was a massive one, wasn't it? £1,000 there. But it's just, in the last couple of months, it's averaging about £500 a month. Which if I keep doing that, I'll definitely hit by the end of this year. So let's go 3.5. Though, that being said, I know, oh gosh, I put the same colour, don't matter. I know July and August are going to be much harder to do because I'm taking a couple of weeks off. I'm also taking a couple of weeks off Etsy, other than I might have a look and see whether I can keep my digital downloads still doing without keeping my physical products, because I need a bit of a break, which is, okay. But I know my Etsy income is going to be reduced massively. And then, yeah, so what's this? So say 1, 2, 3. Yeah, well, even if it takes another 3 months, because if I've got 3.5, I've got 1,500 to go to get my £5,000 savings. But then things could change. Like, I know I'm going to be spending some for those breaks. I know I'm going to be spending, like, the school uniform one, for example. I reckon it's doable by the end of December. And then, once I've done all that, that'll be this. Because actually my debt amount was only £4,500, so I'm nearly there. Yeah. I'll start working on my house deposit. Then I'll start working on my, pay off my car and then buying a home, and then there we go. That's it. It's exciting, isn't it? Like, yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful that I started this journey. If you haven't yet, do it. This is your sign. If you're looking for a sign, this is it. Yes, right, okay. So, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to go and have a look at those sheets now. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you really soon. Bye.